For centuries, money was something you could touch. You could fold it, hide it, or count it with your own hands. If you lost it, it was gone forever. If you held it, you felt secure. Cash ruled the world because it was visible, tangible, and real. In that age, wealth was measured by what you could hold. Notes in your wallet, coins in a jar. People trusted money because they could see it. But cash had its limits. It was slow to move, easy to steal, and hard to track. It respected borders, which made the world feel very large. For most people, cash was the only real money. Everything else felt like a risk. That belief was about to become history. Then, almost silently, money started to disappear. Banks introduced accounts. Plastic cards replaced paper notes. Numbers on a screen replaced stacks of bills. Money became invisible. Salaries arrived without a sound. Payments happened with a tap. No touch required. Your phone became your wallet. Governments loved this shift. Digital money could be tracked, taxed, and controlled with ease. And people adapted quickly because convenience is a powerful motivator. But something fundamental changed. Your money no longer belonged entirely to you. A single button could freeze it. A system glitch could delay it. A new policy could devalue it overnight. Digital money was faster, yes, but it was just as fragile as cash, just wearing a digital mask. It was still just a medium of exchange. Then came the real evolution, the shift from money to assets. This wasn't about holding currency anymore. It was about owning value. People started to realize that true wealth wasn't the money itself, but what that money could buy and control: businesses, technologies, systems, networks, and productive tools. Money stopped being the goal. Ownership became the goal. Why are assets the final form? Because they do something money can't. They grow, they produce, they adapt. While cash sits there losing value to inflation and digital money waits for your next command, assets work for you. A business earns profit while you sleep. A stock grows with innovation. A digital asset exists beyond borders. A valuable skill compounds over time. Assets aren't just stored, they are alive. Here's the harsh truth most people miss. They think they're modern because they use cards and payment apps. But using digital money is still just renting value, not owning it. The system rewards those who understand this shift early and leaves behind those who learn it too late. The future doesn't belong to people who just save money. It belongs to people who position their money into assets. The old divide was between the rich and the poor. The new divide is between the informed and the uninformed. Those who cling to cash will feel safe but find themselves stuck. Those who rely only on a digital bank balance will feel fast but remain controlled. But those who own assets, they will be free. Money is evolving, but most people's mindset is not. Cash gave you a sense of power. Digital money gave you speed. Assets give you freedom. The question is no longer how much money do you have. The real question is, what system does your money live in? Because in this new world, those who understand the system will own the future. Thanks for watching.